back to 20 car. You ever wonder what it feels like to drive a palace? Well, the 2025 Mercedes Maybach Limousine Concept isn't just a car, it's a rolling kingdom of luxury. This isn't your typical VIP ride, it's a futuristic chariot stitched in silk and coated with tech magic. Appearance that commands silence. From the outside, this beast is long, lean, and luminous. Sculpted lines dance like shadows under moonlight, with a two-tone paint job so rich it feels like sipping aged wine. LED signature lights wrap around the body like royal jewelry, and the 24-inch chrome wheels? They're pure drama. Interior, a 5-star lounge on wheels. Step inside and it's like entering a designer penthouse. You've got a full digital cockpit with a glass touchscreen that curves like a waterfall. Leather seats with diamond stitching, ambient lighting that matches your mood, and even a fridge tucked in the back for your vintage champagne. Seriously. Under the hood, V12 elegance meets electric muscle. This limo runs on a hybrid V12 with electric assists, pushing out a silky 750 horsepower. It glides from 0 to 100 kilometers height in 4.9 seconds. Yeah, it's a limo, but it's got hustle. Rivals and rich tags. Think Rolls-Royce Phantom Extended or Bentley Mulsanne. Price? Starts around $320,000. But trust me, every penny whispers prestige. Ownership costs. It's pricey, maintenance, insurance, depreciation. This is no budget buy. But if you're here, you're not counting coins, you're collecting status. Drive experience. Quiet. Smooth. Like floating on air with a string quartet playing in the background. But the turning radius? Let's just say. Wide. Pros, ultra luxury, tech heaven, comfort overload. Cons, big, pricey, not made for tight turns.